Right, here we go. Part 2 of Hatoful Boyfriend. Again, this is from a stream that I did. I really haven't edited it out anything in this one. It's just a 15-minute chunk of the stream. But I hope you enjoy. We're going to meet some new birds, including Thick Boy. So that's going to be exciting. But yeah, enjoy and subscribe if you like to see more videos. Here we go.
Excuse me. Nobody's here. There's no one sleeping behind the curtains, and the doctor isn't here either. My hunter-gatherer instincts feel no presence. There's nobody here. Ryota? No reply. The infirmary is empty. Weird. Did he go home already? I feel a little nervous poking around the empty room. Now that I think of it, I haven't been in here much before. Unlike Ryota, I'm perfectly healthy. Whoa, they've got all kinds of drugs in here. Drugs. Ethylpar, Triphy, Lucio, Benzene. What do these even do? The birds are not well. Maybe I'm the bird's prey. No Christian boy syrup. Yes, thank you. Christian bird syrup. There we go. Care to find out? Oh! What is this absolute unit? Doctor? I'll feed you all sorts of things if you want. What a chonker. No thank you. I think I found my true love. This partridge is Iwamin Shu, school doctor. I like 'em round. I like 'em chunky. I like 'em big and plumping. He's rather creepy in person and has a bad reputation among the student body. Everybody knows that even just talking to him can bring you down with asparagus, psychosis, or even worse things. He's the one for me. He does bear a mild resemblance to Gemsley, I'm not gonna lie. And I never even heard him come in the door. Ninja Doctor? You don't look like you have a good reason to be in here. Did you need something? I heard Ryota, Kawara from 2-3 was supposed to be here? Him? He's already gone. Oh, why didn't he come find me before going home? Sorry to bother you. I'll be going now. Yeah, get out of there. That was not a safe situation to be in. Oh no, I can't say that right now, man. Finally out of that den of evil. Ryota's already gone home. What do we do now? Oh! Sorry, I've got some message. There we go. Sorry. I never got around to joining a club last year. Maybe I'll go look at some of my options. There was a lot of tension in there. That was a dangerous situation. I think there's clubs for baseball, soccer, track, kendo, migration, bird watching. Wasn't there another one? Anyway, I'll start with the track team. No! Bird watching! I ran in middle school, and it's always funny watching the birds hop around. That's racist. I really do want to date the chonk. Like, I know he's got a bad reputation, but I feel like I can tame him. I think the club room is on the ground floor, off to the side. A white dove is having a tantrum outside. Coo! This is no pudding for a man. Coo! Oko-san rejected. It is a lie, a vicious falsification. He's dancing around on a squished pudding. Hey, that's not very nice to the pudding. Huh, I wish I was that pudding. This is Oko-san. He doesn't really look it, but supposedly he's a fantail pigeon, I think. What the smack? He's jumping around a pudding. Either way, he's hyper, or he's hyper. I'm having difficult. There's so many characters being introduced. I've got to try to come up with good voices for them. Ooh! Oko-san has suffered a deception most vile, a wretched betrayal. Betrayal? Cool! Okusan instructed that pudding be provided for new members. Cool! But this is no pudding! Ousted, scorned, betrayed, dragged into the street and shot by those he trusted most. It's squished and filthy, but the thing under his feet looks like a normal store-bought pudding. What's wrong with it? Cool! Spare the jests, young lady! Okusan used wing attack. It's super effective. He slapped me. Cool! They'll rue the day they cross Okusan. He'll have them flayed, hanged, shot at dawn. He will. Cool! Okusan must now train to achieve true pudding. Farewell. And he's gone. He's a good runner, but what does pudding have to do with the track team? I don't want to join the track team. And so ended the first day of my second semester at St. Pigeonations. I love this game. I think we want to choose the class council today. As you all know, this school doesn't require you to join any club. That is a fast bird. KFC, how dare you? If you want to, you can, but if you don't, then you're free to go home after school. Cool! Okusan has time only for the track team! That's good. What about you, Shirogane? Oh, I forgot who Shirogane is. Oh, yeah. A foolish question. I already hold a position here. Pigeon fried chicken. No, KFC is Kentucky Fried Chicken. Would it not be pigeon fried chicken? No, it would be KFP, Kentucky Fried Pigeon. Right. Oh, that's right. You became student president when you were admitted. Nepotism, ho! Don't we get to vote? Just coming to school is enough for me. You have to take care of your mother on your own and all. Okay, there's backstory here. Oh, childhood friend. You always have to tell. Now, Colonel Sanders has entered the chat. KFP, my. No, I'm not going to do that. I wonder what I should do. Join the... Oh, I get to pick! Oh! Student council, track team, or library staff. Right, come on, guys. I know there's a bit of a delay, but get in there and vote. 1 for student council, 2 for track team, 3 for library staff. That'll make it a bit easier. 1 student council, 2 track team, or 3 library staff. Come on, we need to get some votes up in the chat here. We've got 1 for student council. Ooh, 3 for library staff. Some people like librarians. Anyone else gonna vote? Oh, we've got another 3! Oh, guys, it's gonna be library staff. Yeah, nah. It's gonna be... Yeah, it's gotta be library staff. I like the way they... Cool! Library staff it is, guys. Here we go. You chose this, guys. That's everyone, isn't it? Have fun. Cool. I'm so sorry, Bubsicles. You were outvoted. Today's an elective day. What should I do? Oh, okay. We're getting into gameplay. Right, attend. Okay, we're gonna have to do another choice. Here we go. Math, gym, or music. So here we go. 1, 2, 3. 1, math class. 2, gym class. 3, music class. Let's get another vote up in here. All the close to the junior library monitor at school. We've got gym. They call pigeons chickens in the tree. Okay, we've got 2, 2, 1. If you care, get your vote in there. 1 for math class, 2 for gym class, and 3 for music class. Ooh.
Here are some results from the web.
Oh, thank you, Google. That's not necessary. Ooh, we've got... What have we got? 2 1s, 2 2s, and 2 3s! Guys, it's tied! It's tied! It's a tie! It's a tie for 1, 2, and 3! Oh, Jiggle Weetabix has switched to 2, so 2 takes it. Here we go. We're going into gym class. Gemsley, too late. We're going to gym class. Sorry, I'm trying to keep this going. I had to sit out the wing training, but it was fun anyway. Maybe someday I'll be able to fly too. Sure. What does triangle do? Oh no, I don't want to skip. Ah, no, what did I do? Ah, I skipped. No. Oh, okay. Right, never mind. Whatever, here we go. Fine. We had gym class, we had to skip out on wings. Here we go. I'm on receptionist duty today. Better hurry. I'm sorry, guys. I think I skipped stuff. Never mind. Boring, as usual. The library here doesn't seem very popular. Not enough books. It's on the 5th floor, though, so at least the view is nice. Sitting here twiddling my thumbs is bad for me. I wish someone would come ask me something. Oh, careful what you wish for. Oh, ... There's nobody here. I wonder if it'd be okay to close early. I wish I could just spread my wings and fly away. Sorry. Planning to jump off the building? The window there is rather good for that, Mr. Receptionist. Oh my days. Who's this? Oh, it's the emo guy. Nagaki? When did you... I've been here all along. I never noticed. He's almost as bad as the doctor. Is he beautiful? Libraries are the best. Very cute. Not enough cheeks. I'm so confused. You're thinking I have no presence, right? It's okay. I already know that. You certainly seem to like this place. What's the bird version of a furry? A bird version of a furry. Feathery? I don't know. Yes. Is that a problem? Flighty. Oh! You should go outside. No, books are nice. Alright, quick vote. I'm not gonna keep these votes going for too long, so if you want to vote, get right in there, guys. 1 for go outside, 2 for no, books are nice. Books are nice, it's true. Oh, we're getting a lot of 2s coming in. Unless there's a severe shift right now, I think we're going to go for 2. Another 2. Ooh, 1 for 1. I think it's too late though. Here we go. No, books are nice. Jiggle Me Weetabix does not like books, but books are nice. They are. Was a little too fast. Thank you, Pepperoni. Why don't you join the library staff, Nagaki? You could do whatever you want. I already read whatever I want. Touche? You shouldn't slack off, Mr. Receptionist. And with that, he takes a book and is gone between the stacks. What a strange bird. I'll be honest, there's not one bird that's particularly standing out to me as Bay right now, but we'll see. Sitting at home is so relaxing. Do I live in a cave? Oh, tomorrow is the class hike. Hike? Why would we hike? We're birds, we can fly. We won't be going far, so I don't have to... Well, health first. I think I'll have some udon and go to sleep. Am I a caveman? This is confusing. Today is the hike. We've stopped for a break on a hillside. Who should I talk to? Oh, I think we're going to get a choice. The chonk does stand out. I'm a homeless person high on crack. You know what, that does make sense. Oh, we're getting 2 for the partridge. My days, already. And he's like the controversial one. Talk to... Oh boy, here we go. Okay, now can I remember who everyone is? Ryota's my childhood friend. Sakuya is... I think Sakuya is the stuck-up posh one. San is the hyper one, I think. And Kazuaki. I can't remember who Kazuaki is. I'm so bad. This is a late night stream, guys. If you want to vote, go ahead and vote. I can't honestly remember who all these guys are. I think Ryota's a bit boring, but other than that, I'm open to suggestions here. I think you know how to... 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 Ryota, 2 Sakuya, 3 San, 4 Kazuaki. Hit me. Okay. 3 3s, a 4 and a 2. I'll leave it for another couple seconds, but it looks like we're going with 3. It's a hyper one. You all just want to hear me say "coo" again, don't you? You dirty people. Right, here we go. I wonder if they get all these sand simps. Ridiculous. I wonder where Oka-san went. I haven't seen him since we stopped here. Woo! It's not here! The pudding is not here! It's missing? Did you bring it to eat for lunch? Coo syrup. No, please no. Woo! No! Okusan believed that wonderful pudding could be found on hikes! Is there a kind of pudding that lives in the mountains? Woo! Okusan will now search elsewhere for the pudding! Oh, he's fast. And he's gone. What kind of pudding is he looking for anyway? You know what kind of pudding exists on hills is haggis.
There we go. Part 2 down. Part 3 to come. Probably tomorrow. I'll see you then. Subscribe if you like. See you next time.